Hello everyone, welcome to our statistics channel Quality Statistics. In the last videos we discussed collection of data, classification of data and tabulation of data and some guidelines of tabulation. In today's video we will present different types of tables and different structure of tables by which we can present our collected data in a proper manner. Now look at the paper. Here are the kinds of tables we are talking about, these tables. Kinds of tables, and this can be mentioned or classified as, first we draw the section. In first part we mention according to purpose. Second, according to originality. According to originality. G. And third, we get according to composition by construction. According to construction. Here again these can be classified. According to purpose we get two types of. Number one, general purpose level. Table. Number two, special purpose table. Special purpose table. And according to originality again we get original table, and derived table. According to construction we get two types of table, that is simple or one way table, and second one is complex table. Here we mention three types of complex table, that is double or two-way table, treble table, that is three parts, treble table, and manifold table. Manifold table. Now first we demonstrate simple table. Simple table has just structure is a simple structure. Suppose we present here class and number of students. This is very simple because of there are two columns. First column is class, second column is number of students, and we consider class 9, class 10, class 11, class 12 we consider. That is 4 rows. In class 11 we get 200 students, in class 9 we get 200 students, class 10 we get 100 students, class 11 we get 350 students, and class 12 we get 250 students. This one 4 rows and 2 columns. This table consists of 4 rows and 2 columns, and this is called simple table because there is no complex variation of this table. Now we present double or two-way table. This is double or two ways table. This table can be framed from the previous table by the extension of columns. That is, again we set class. Now number of students, this heading can be decomposed of 2 parts. Number 1 is boys, number 2 is girls. Hence class 9, again class 10, class 11, class 12. In class 9 we get 120 boys and 80 girls. In class 10 we get 80 boys, 20 girls. Class 11 200 boys and 150 girls, and class 12 175 boys and 75 girls. This is another type of table, but this is to some extent an extended table. This table has extension with the extra 1 column, that is, here there are 3 columns and 4 rows. Again we can write this table consists of 4 rows and 3 columns. Here this is two-ways table because of number of student is being decomposed into 2 parts. One is boys and second girls. That's why it is called double or two-ways table. Now we present a manifold table with some rows and columns which is more than the previous tables. Suppose we have to show distribution of population in 3 cities of India, and by age, sex and religion we can establish different informations, different data in the table. Just look, distribution This is manifold table. Distribution of population in 3 different cities. 3 different cities in India. It is of India. And this is according by age, sex and religion. Age, sex and religion. First we make the table structure by forming these heads. Cities, age, years, groups, first we set Kolkata, below 15 to 25, 25 to 40, 40 to 60 and 60 and above. Similar is that for Mumbai, below 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 40, 40 to 60 and 60 and above. And for number 3, Delhi. This is number 3, Delhi. Below 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 and above. And in this case, in the caption, this is the stub of the table. And in caption, suppose first we write Hindu, this is a column, Muslims, this is another column, and Christians. Christians. This is another column. Suppose a Hindus are categorized as male, female and total. Muslims are categorized as male, female total. And similarly for Christians also, male, female, and total. This is the blank table, and we can put here data according to the rows and columns which is being intended. Now suppose in Kolkata we put here hypothetical data. In Kolkata, below 15 male is everything is 1000 counting, thousands units counting. Below 15, 20,000 female, 15,000 total 35,000. 15 to 25, that is 30, 20, 50. 25 to 40, 15, 25, that is 40. 40 to 60, 20, 40 and 60, and 60 and above 80, 60 and 140. In this case, we present the data in this way. Suppose this is 40, 30, 70, 15, 25, 40, 15 to 40, 30, 30, 60, 40, 20, 60 and suppose 70, 50, 120. Similarly for Christians, 10, 15, 25, 10, 15, 25, 20, 30, 50, 15, 15, 30 and 20, 25, 45. We put in this manner. In Mumbai also, we can put here, suppose 35, 40, 75, 50, 40, 90, 35, 25, 60, 50, 40, 90 and 40, 50, 90. Similarly for here 75, 15, 90, 40, 35, 75, 55, 25, 80, 40, 40, 80 and 70, 30, 100. This is for Mumbai Muslims. And for Christians, 10, 5, 15, 25, 25, 50, 35, 25, 60, 25, 25, 50 and 40, 50, 90. This is for Christians in Mumbai. And in Delhi category, 25, 35, 60, 25, 35, 60, 40, 40, 80, 80, 20, 100, 75, 75, 150. Here are Muslims 40, 40, 80, 35, 25, 35, 70, 45, 25, 70, 30, 40, 70, 40, 40, 80. And here suppose 10, 10, 20, 15, 25, 40, 35, 25, 60, 60, 40, 100 and 20, 20, 70, 90. All are categorized in row wise and column wise. If I draw these rows, then we get many rows, and these rows are subdivided into different parts. These are multi rows and similarly multi columns also. That's why this is called manifold. This is called manifold table. If I present in this manner, then every section can be clearly defined, can be clearly counted from the table analysis. And here the page space is short to maintain, that's why I am drawing very slowly with much care. And this one is row. Here we draw many rows. The number of rows here are for particular data. Number of rows here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 rows, and columns are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is an horizontal and rectangular table in which 15 rows and 9 columns. And this is stub. This is body of the table. In body of the table we get 15 rows and 9 columns. But if we consider stub also, then it is 10 columns, and in the caption we get 3 categories: Hindu, Muslim and Christians. And out of these categories again this is subdivided into male female part in total part. That is, per category is divided into 3 parts: male female total. This is complex table and this is manifold table. This is the completion of our table analysis. This is all about today. Please keep watching to our channel for further updates and more videos. Thank you all for watching this video.